Do you know that if you save 5,000 Naira daily, you will have 1.825 million Naira? How cool is that? But the question is, how do you save 5,000 Naira daily? I mean, your income is probably not enough and then you can't afford to save 5,000 Naira daily. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make an extra income, 5,000 Naira income on a daily basis, so you can be able to save daily for 365 days. Now, without too much talk, let's get right into it. Number one is video and photography. I know what you're thinking. No, you don't need camera, you don't need anything, you don't even need a phone. You're going to do it with a client's phone. Now, this is how it works. A lot of people go to the park, malls, and places that they can take pictures, but they can't find anybody to take them pictures. People like me, sometimes I dress so cool and I go to a mall or a park and then I can't take any pictures because, you know, maybe I went alone to just clear my head and, you know, have a breath of fresh air, and then nobody to take me pictures. So now this is where you come in. You take people pictures in the park, mall, and all these public places where people love taking pictures. And even if they are in groups, you can also take them pictures, because, you know, when people come in groups, then maybe a group of 5, one person will have to now take the picture and then the person will not be in the picture. So the opportunity here for you is for you to take pictures of people with their phones. You can make a whole lot of money with this, okay? You can charge anything you want. This is a very cool way of making money on the side, and is a fresh idea. Not many people are doing it. I'm not sure anybody is doing it because I just came up with the idea myself. So if you take this opportunity, you'll be able to make a whole lot of money. You can charge 1,000 Naira for a couple of pictures or for a session, and you take people pictures and videos, do pictures and videos for them, and, you know, give them back their phone, and then that's how you start making money and people will start booking you. Before you know it, from side hustle it turns to a main hustle, okay? Now, but what you want to do is to learn the skills, okay? Learn photography skills, mobile photography skills. There's a lot of resources online that you can get. Also learn how to edit pictures and videos as well, because when you learn this, it will further create an income avenue for you, because you will now charge them separately for editing. I've done a video in the past where I shared how you can edit pictures and videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can go through it after this video and learn how you can edit pictures professionally with your mobile phone. Now, this is what you're going to do. After taking the picture and handing them over their phone, you can tell them that, oh, you do editing as well. So you guys can then exchange numbers and they forward the pictures and videos to you via WhatsApp. But make sure they don't just transfer it to your WhatsApp as a picture or video. Let them send it as an attachment, because that way it retains the same quality. It doesn't shrink, because once you send it on WhatsApp just like that, it will compress the quality, and then the quality will not be so good again. So make sure they send it as a document and then you edit and send it back to them, and that's an extra money on the top. So maybe like 500, extra 1,000 Naira, and you're good to go. So this is a very amazing way for you to generate extra income, okay? Extra income. So you can have a target. Once you hit your 5,000 Naira, you go home. Cool thing is that the time you get a lot of people outside is usually towards the evening, and by that time you must have closed from work, closed from school, or whatever engagement you have for the day, and then you just go there, get your money and go. The idea here is to get another stream of income that you can use strictly for savings, okay? This is money that you don't touch. You just go there, make the money, and then put it in your savings account. So you can have an app where you automatically save. Saving money will not make you rich, but you need savings to be able to invest in anything you want to invest in. And 1.8 million Naira is enough money to start any investment you want to start. Now, this brings me to number 2 on the list, ride-share business. Now, when I say ride-share, a lot of people feel, so I'll not start doing Uber or start doing both. No, the idea is for you to make extra cash. If you have a car, then this is the perfect model for you. These ride-sharing apps have this option where you can set your destination. So all you need to do is you wake up in the morning, maybe you live in mainland Lagos, Nigeria, and then you go to work at Lekki Phase 1 or Ikoyi. So what you want to do is to set your destination to Phase 1 or any of your destination on the island. Someone will book you within 2 meters, and you just pick the person and then drop the person off at the person's destination, which is also within 2 meters close to you or on your route, and then you make your money. And if you live in places like Lagos where there is serious traffic all the time, you can even make that 5,000 naira in just one trip. And guess what, guys? Either ways, whether you pick a passenger or not, you're still going to drive to work, right? Or drive to school or drive to wherever you are going to. You will still have to do that, right? If you're going to still burn your fuel and go to work, it wouldn't hurt carrying somebody to your destination and making money off it. So it doesn't matter the kind of car you have. You don't have to have Corolla or any kind of, the boat car or stuff. You just have to use your car. Luxury cars like me now, I have the app. I don't teach things that I don't do. So I have the app. This is my Bolt driver app. You can see it here, the focus and the kind of car I drive, a luxury car. And and the people that come inside the car be like, damn, are you sure you're a boat guy or you're a kidnapper? But the idea is for you to be able to make an extra income on a daily basis away from your normal source of income, okay? So that you can be able to save that money, the exact figure you make for the day, just save it. Now, the advice I want to give you for this business model is that you don't look at yourself like, now, if I want to turn on my app, I will not see myself as 7-figure boss. I'm going to see myself as somebody that is giving someone a ride. So I'm going to take in anything. Some people can actually be rude to you, talk to you the way you don't like. They might not greet you, but just swallow all that. It's just for a few minutes and you get your money and you go. You're not doing it because you're hungry. You're doing it because you want another source of income where you can use to save. Most of these rideshare apps gives you 2 opportunities in a day to set your destination, okay? So if you set your destination going to work, coming back from work, you set your destination, coming back, and then that's how you can make more than 5,000 naira every day, every single day. And number 3 on my list is nairaworkers.com. This platform enables you to make money completing simple tasks on the internet with just your phone, okay? With just your phone. I'm going to show you guys on my system now. So here is nairaworkers.com, a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses. They have the business part where you can be able to post a job if you want a job to be done. But yours is this freelancer part. You take surveys, you write an honest review, test an app, follow on social media, and get paid. So let me show you guys the kind of task you'll be doing on this platform. So here you can see this is a sample that they posted here. You can see visit our website and sign up, and then you get paid 42 naira. This one says like and retweet my pinned tweet on Twitter. Of course, you must have 300 followers. Then watch YouTube video for 2 minutes and subscribe. You get paid 48 naira. Create Taxify account with my ref link, and then you get paid 80 naira. Follow us on Instagram, you get paid 7 naira. And as you can see, people are completing this job. This is 4,863 people that have already completed this job. And then this is the dashboard, this is the earnings. This is 32,675 naira. This is an amazing way for you to make money on a daily basis. As long as you have your phone and an internet connection, you're good to go. Just make sure you judiciously do the job. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes to complete each task. And now number 4 on my list is digital products. I cannot overemphasize. I've talked about digital product on this channel a couple of times, and I'll keep talking about it. Digital products are very important for you to have, especially if you have an area of expertise. You can share your expertise on PDF and then sell it to people, 500 naira, 1,000 naira, and have a target of reaching out to 10 people or 5 people in a day. Sell to them, and then you're good to go. So you're sure you're making money from there. But let me show you guys something on my system, how others are making money from just digital products. So here is st.com. So here is digital download. You can see different types of digital downloads. This is flower, watercolor, printable art. This is wedding welcome sign. This one is ultimate planner. You can see that they are making sales, okay? This one, in as much as it's just art, but they are sold 3,708 pieces of this digital products. You just create it one time and it keeps making money for you over and over and over again till the end of time. You don't even need to stress yourself, and then you've made 5,000 naira for the day. So let's do a quick calculation so that you can see how much the owner of this digital art has made. So let's do 5.25 times 3,708, $19,467. That's how much this person has made from just digital art that was created one time, and then it has sold over 3,700 copies. So the next way you can make an extra 5,000 naira every day is using owodaily.com. Owodaily is more like the Naira workers. They are very similar, but the only difference is that you have to pay a registration fee of 3,000 naira on Owodaily, which I don't understand why, but you know, you have to pay to be able to get fully registered and start completing tasks or start posting for a job. But the good thing is you will not run out of tasks to complete in a day, so that you'll be getting tasks from Owodaily, you'll be getting tasks from Naira workers, and then by the time you merge everything together, you must have made over 5,000 naira in a day. So the sixth way to make extra 5,000 naira in a day is through referral programs. Now, this sounds weird, I know, but it's not too weird, because if you go to apps like Piggyvest, they give you 1,000 naira for referring someone to sign up on the app. So all you have to do is to simply take the link and post it on your social media pages, tell your friends that they can make 1,000 naira signing up, and then they'll sign up and get 1,000 naira. You will get 1,000 naira as well. So if you're able to get 5 people to sign up, and that is 5,000 naira already. And then if you're using the Piggyvest to save the money that you have been making, you can just leave the money there and leave it to be accumulating over the course of 1 year and go home with your 1.8 million naira. So this is an amazing way to make an extra income. Remember, you cannot save your way to wealth, but you need a reasonable amount of money to start your investment journey, and then that money will not fall from heaven. You have to make conscious effort. Okay, with this 1.8 million, there's a lot of things you can do with the money. Go watch this video next. Thank you for watching, and see you on the other side.